Good morning, traders. Welcome back. Crypto market. We got a very interesting situation on the Ethereum. I was talking about the market lately, and I started to come up with this bullishness view, right? Pretty much all across board. I mean, we're still having some contradicting signs. We do have some negative signs coming from different areas, but mostly I would say things are becoming to look a little bit better, especially from the short-term perspective, because from the long-term perspective, we're still not out of the woods yet. So when I look at the Ethereum here daily chart, I find this interesting trading range that started to develop roughly around December 2018, where we had the first leg followed by the second. And what's really interesting is the third leg that landed right on that bottom key level, kind of validating the whole structure, right? Take a look at the close we had here on this one, 103.92, so just a fraction of a point in. We also had another spike here, which was actually a little bit deeper, but ended up also inside, and then came that turnaround. So it looks like the first part of what seems to be the next upside leg, right, should be the fourth leg. Looks like the first step was already done, right? Price made it to the first key level, which is the mid-low key level, 125.80. Touched base slightly 2 days ago, but I feel we're gonna have here a second attempt. It's gonna be more of a serious attempt to break that 125.80. And I also think it's going to be successful. Price is probably just gathering some pace, probably just building up some momentum. Once it breaks that 125.80, I see price just hammering towards the higher section. So our main price target is right here, 150.68. I do believe that price could push forward even further and take the previous high. Let's take a look where that is. Previous high, or should I say previous highs, are around 162 roughly. I would say 161.70, 162. So I think we're looking at, potentially speaking, about 30-35% of potential return. That's a lot. In crypto terms, that may not be a lot, but like I said, we're focusing on a short-term perspective right now, and that's pretty much the setup that was showing up here, that was appearing from that price action. So we have to respect these key levels, and that's exactly what I intend to do. But also the 125.80 could be a reliable trigger level, right? So for those of you who are risk averse, you might want to make sure that price can break above 125.80 before you engage with a bullish position. Don't forget, from a long-term perspective, we're still in a sketchy situation right now. But from a short-term perspective, I do believe that we have some imminent opportunities that we can take advantage of. So I think this is one of those. I will follow up on this one and keep you posted as usual. See you in the next video.